This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link slides to each other in Google Slides. Here I have a presentation where I want to click on a picture of the animal and it take me to the slide that represents that animal. This is what you do. You click on the picture, then you select Insert, then you select Link. You can also click on the photo and use the keyboard shortcut Command K on a Mac or Control K on Windows and a Chromebook. When you click on that, this box will appear and you can either paste the link there, you can search for the link that you want, or you can select the slides within the presentation that auto-populates here, or you can click below at the bottom where it says slides in this presentation. I'm going to click slides in this presentation, and now I see a list of all of the slides in my presentation. So since I clicked the picture of the bear, I want to click bear. Now that link is there. So when I am in my slideshow and I click on the bear, it's going to take me to that slide. You can also do this with text by highlighting the text that you want to link and then selecting Insert, selecting Link, or the keyboard shortcut, and then selecting your slide. So I want it to go back to the first slide, so I'm going to select the first slide. So whether or not I'm in the presentation, when I click on this, I have the option of returning to the first slide. You can then repeat that process for the subsequent pictures or text that you want to link in your document. So let's do one more. I want to link the rabbit to slide 3. So I'm going to click on the photo and I'll use the keyboard shortcut this time, which for me is Command K, then click slides in this presentation, then select slide 3, which is of the rabbit. Now I can click on the link that appears when I click on the rabbit and it will take me to that slide. Then for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to copy and paste this box into the other slides so that when I click on that, it can take me back to the beginning. Let me go ahead and do the tiger as well. And now all of my slides are fully linked. So I can click on the bear, then go back to the beginning, click on the rabbit, then go back to the beginning, then click on the tiger and go back to the beginning. So this video shows you how to link slides to one another in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.